Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be discussing about planet Mercury and its multiplying effect in a horoscope, how it plays this duality wherever it's placed in a birth chart. So we'll start from house number 1 and we'll go through all the houses up to the house number 12. So if you have planet Mercury placed in your ascendant, of course, it gives you a youthful appearance, you're charming, you're outgoing, you're jovial by nature, but because it rules the sign of Gemini, that is, the symbol of Gemini is twins, you have this dual personality. It gives you that personality. You're not showing the true self to the outer world. You might be showing one side to the world and you're hiding your true self from the outside world. So this is how it plays in the ascendant. But when we go to the second house, that is our house of family, the family that we are born into. In this house, if Mercury is well placed or giving negative or positive result, depending on that, it will play its duality. So, certain people, they are born in house and they're raised by somebody else, maybe their grandmother, or they're raised by their aunts, a different member of a family. So here Mercury creates this confusion of having multiple family. Like, this person, this child might be confused. Which one is my real family because of this duality of Mercury? And if we go to the next house, that is third house, that represents our communication, our siblings. Over here, what Mercury might do is it can make you expert in multiple languages. The energy of duality might be seen through your communication style. You might be expert in different languages, or you may be having more than one sibling. And if we go to the next house, the fourth house of a horoscope represents our mother. It represents our home. So it may give you multiple homes. If some people, it has the same connection with the second house. So again, this person might be raised by somebody else, or this might some people, they call two women as mother. They get multiple result here through the affection of mother. They might be getting loved by two women in the same manner. They may be calling two women their mom because of the affection they have received in their life. Or you may be having multiple homes or staying in a multi-story home. Somewhere multiply effect of Mercury will be seen if it is placed in the fourth house. And if we move to the next house, fifth house of a horoscope represents our children. It represents our education, our love affairs. So the chances of having multiple love affairs are really high in this placement. At the same time, this person might be dating more than one person because of this curiosity, this jovial nature of Mercury will be manifested through love affairs. Or you could be having, different hobbies, and you might be enjoying two sports at the same time. On the other hand, such people sometimes give birth to twins because Mercury represents twins. And if we go to the next house of our daily routine, sixth house. So, of course, it also represents our enemies. You may be suffering because of multiple enemies, and you may be going through multiple litigations at the same time. Or you could be having multiple jobs for your earning. Somewhere multiplying effect of Mercury will manifest. So if we go to the next house, seventh house of our partnership, our business partnership, our life partner, basically our contract. So these persons are basically seen running multiple businesses, or this placement also gives a high chance of affair because it gives multiple partner. And we go to the next house, that is eighth house of inheritance. And eighth house is also a house of your partner's family, so your in-laws family. So you may be inheriting multiple properties, multiple inheritance, one from your family, one from your partner's family. It will multiply the effect if it's playing in a positive manner. But if it is playing a negative role in the 8th house, because it is definitely a negative house, the energy of Mercury might be giving you sudden multiple losses, sudden events that are painful, like death. Death doesn't always mean a physical death. It could sometimes mean a painful experience of life, same as death. So if we move to the next house, that is 9th house of father, guru, higher knowledge, this person might be seeking 2 different degrees at the same time. Some people, they go for multiple degrees, higher degrees, studying abroad, doing multiple degrees. This is the placement. Or some people, they follow different gurus, because multiplying effect of Mercury will be seen through guru or knowledge in this house. And father might be expert in some sort of multitasker kind of personality. So if we go to the 10th house of your career, you could be working for, where you are doing a lot of multitasking, and your role could be where you are doing multiple jobs at the same time, or you are running multiple businesses. Somewhere the duality, multiplying effect of Mercury will be seen. And if we go to the next house, that is your house of income and gains. So if Mercury is well placed, it will give you multiple gains at this house, and multiple income sources can be seen through such placement. Gains through your sister-in-law can be seen through such placement. Gains after birth of a child female child can be seen with such placements. And if we go to the next house, 12th house of losses, expenditures, investment, hospitalization, this person might be having, they could go for investment and making multiple investment at the same time, or facing multiple losses at the same time. So this duality and multiplying effect of Mercury can be predicted as a snapshot prediction depending on the house significance. But we do need to consider the planet it's sitting with. So the conjunctions of a planet will play its role as well. So you need to consider the planet significance, and it might multiply the significance of that planet. So if it is sitting with the planet moon, Mercury moon conjunction gives this person 2 mothers, or receiving motherly love from 2 people if it is well placed, or having running 2 multiple businesses related to food. Such kind of placement can be seen doing these kind of things, because Mercury will multiply and give you the nature of duality wherever it's placed. And I hope after this you will be able to make this amazing snapshot predictions about Mercury. To subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.